Thank God you're awake. How do you feel?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings.
My head aches.
I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry for what happened.
It's not your fault. You don't have to be sorry. I ran into you.
It's okay. Please don't talk, okay? Just have some rest. The doctor will soon be here. Sorry.
My father.
It's okay. Stop talking.
What is the meaning of this? Have you stopped to spill another rubbish to my face?
I haven't come to tell you rubbish. I just want you out of the way. Ijele is my wife. Spend your strength on another woman.
Another rubbish, like I said. But this time with a spice of stupidity. Listen, the next time you speak such rubbish to my face, I will have you killed.
This time around, the stupidity came with a prize. 10 million naira. Take it and leave.
10 what? Very interesting. But I would rather send you to the bank and not the other way. Stay away from my woman. She's married to me. And let this be the last time you stop.
The easy way is always better. Take the money and move on with your life. The next time I talk about this, it might not be this simple.
You don't want to see the other side of me. I'm just being nice to you.
All right, bring it on.
No matter the weight of insult I get, no, 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 I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you no fit define am, whether happy or sad. The woman, if you come his way, you go dey careful, no. If no be so, you go collect woto. Behold the prince.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you're not feeling too much pain. You'll be fine. Okay? Now you're home. Now regards to your father. Be careful, okay?
I'm not the prince.
Hey! Chiba! I've enjoyed this palace.
Oh my goodness!
You see this palace? I am enjoying this. I am
Look at what I found in her bag!
Where is the prince?
Look at what I found in her bag!
Where is the
These
prince?
are hard drugs! But how was she able to smuggle this into the palace? Not anyone seen it!
Hard drugs.
Don't bring your
Hard
mother to
drugs.
me, oh!
Igwe must see this.
Yes!
This is evidence. Give it to me. This is
I am
evidence.
looking for the prince.
Evidence 101.
Hey!
Igwe must see this.
I am looking for my prince. Where is my prince? Oh! Where I get my prince? My prince, you are here?
Hey, stay back. What has come over her? My prince. Excuse me. My prince. She's suffering from hard drugs. Hard drugs and overdose. Look at this. Exhibit.
We live in the zoo! We are baboon!
What is going on here?
My queen, I am here for my prince. Nobody will take my prince away from me. I will marry my prince.
My prince. Cast her out. Okay, my prince. My prince. Oh,
My
sorry.
prince. My prince. I am here.
Hey.
Leave me alone.
Out.
Leave me alone.
Atakwanamalu. Bundle her out.
My prince, I need assistance.
Other guards.
My prince.
Sorry, my prince. What is actually wrong with children of these days?
My prince.
Girls
prince.
of nowadays. What is wrong with that?
My prince.
Does it still please the king, my father, that these maidens remain in this palace?
Son, God will definitely remove the bad eggs until the one ordained by the spirit of our ancestors, that will be your wife, stands out.
And that will be the last one standing.
Long live your majesty.
Long live the queen.
Retire.
What about the hard drugs?
Give it to Tachi.
Otasi! Otasi! Hey!
I want to be left alone now. I can't fix it any longer. What actually is wrong with children of these days?
It is end time. Another down.
Yes, I am winning. They don't know. I'm all I can say, Ecuador.
Father,
My daughter.
I'm confused. Father, see, Haigada was there for me when I was blind.
Despite being a billionaire, he played down to my level. He also made the first plan to take us out of this village for treatment. Obinna, on the other hand, is also a nice person. He helped restore my sight. He first asked for my hand in marriage. The confusion is, Obinna proposed, and Haigada proposed too. So I'm just, I don't know. I don't know what to do. They are both nice to us, Father.
My daughter, you don't have to be confused. Instead, go back to the plans you set for your life. Is it your education or marriage? By then, it will give you the direction of what to do. So there's no reason for you to be confused. Be strong. Let the plans you set for your life be your guide. Don't be confused.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you, my
Thank
daughter.
you. I'm here, Father. I'm here. Thank
Oh.
you. I know you will always come up with a good advice. Thank you. Thank you.
Don't be confused, my daughter.
I won't.
Your plans is your guide. It will direct you. And I know you will not be confused again.
Thank you, Father.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Please, just take me inside.
Let justice prevail.
Your Majesty, Igwe, there's a letter from my king.
I do not want any further letter from Shallow Earth Oil Company again. I want action.
This particular letter now no carry any oil. Even Pankanel oil you no carry. Now police officers now they carry and come. As a matter of fact, they say even the inspector sign in this thing. The thing that thing they do like this in short, sir. Ajwaya, sir. Full stop. Put her here. I think you have to go through it.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Eze Achebe, one of Udenewo Kingdom. I wish to bring to your notice that a national honor holder in the person of Mr. Hyacinth Nade is presently in your kingdom. Although the police and secret service are always with him to ensure his safety, I also have need to inform you of his presence and how important his safety is to the government of this nation. Hence, you may need to deploy whatever traditional security to support the security agents for this common goal. Thanks, and may you live long, Your Majesty. Signed, Titus O. Titus, Inspector General of Police, Federal Republic of Nigeria. Otashi!
Igwe, who they want arrest? Who they want arrest?
There is a VIP in my kingdom. His name is Hyacinth Nade. Find out who that man is and let the people know how important it is to give him safety in this kingdom.
Igwe, consider it done. I will employ more vigilantes. Right now.
Hello. Yes, I got it. Yes, I did. Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah. I'm trying to package them, so I'll ask one of my guards to send it to the company. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, they are waiting to receive it. No problem. No problem. You don't have to say thanks. Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you later because right now I'm driving, okay? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Son, Hannah, stop. Accident happens. But as your father, I promise that the family of the victim must be compensated accordingly. Take my word. Okay?
How many times, Father?
How many times? This is the third time my car is losing control and killing my subject. Except for Jayla, who's lucky and still alive.
Son, you have to calm down. You have to take it easy. Take it easy on yourself. This is the first time such a thing is happening. Showing is mere accident. Accident happens. Please.
Never, mother. They all happen in the same manner and mysteriously. There is nothing anyone would tell me or convince me that my enemies are not behind this. And I will do everything possible to get to the root of all this.
Easy, son. I am your father. And you know I can stop at nothing to get to the root of the matter. Take it easy. But see it as a mere accident. Calm down, son. That jaw easy.
What is it now? Why are you dragging me like this?
What is your problem, Ola?
What?
Is it not your turn to serve the prince this week? Because I don't understand. You're so relaxed.
Oh, Jesus. You're right, Suruchi. I totally forgot.
But do you need someone to tell you that the prince is angry and he needs some drink to calm his nerves?
Oh my God. Do you know that this would have put me into a big trouble? Thank you so much. Thank you for reminding me, okay? Thank you.
It's okay. You just have to be fast, okay?
Okay.
Fast!
Thank you. Yes, you're welcome. Go.
What on bloody earth is keeping that good for nothing?
Here, something to calm your nerves, my prince.
Good. Very, very good. Now take this straight to the gate. I'll come get them myself.
As your highness pleases.
And never you step your feet in this palace until I get the drinks. Do as I say. Guards! Guards! I want you to go to the shrine. I need to know what's keeping Utachi. Okay? Do it right now.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you no fit define am, whether happy or sad. If you come his way, you go dey careful, no. If no be so, you go collect woto. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful.
The Dibia, the SMO is here to see you.
Let him in.
Long live Igwe Achebe, Ijirijebu one of Udenewu Kingdom. Long live my prince, Ahanaya, the sole power bearer of Udenewu Kingdom. Long live my queen.
I have no patience for this rhetoric you call greetings. Eze Moma Biako. One question for you. Have you heard from the gods?
Yes, my prince. The officials of the oil company are seriously working hard to end your life and have their licenses restored.
What are you insinuating? Are they using diabolic powers?
The gods have already taken care of that. As many of them that were involved in this have perished by now, my prince.
I see.
I thought as much. I thought as much. I knew it. I know the officials of that oil company must fight back. I saw it coming.
I knew it. Just imagine. How come Ijele became blind after her first meeting with those officials when she declined their fraudulent offer? Huh?
I knew it.
The finest, the fairest, the most handsome of all, the pride of the new kingdom. Greetings, my prince.
Keep your greetings to yourself, Aigada.
My prince.
I don't need it. You defied yourself the moment you decided to stay with a cursed family. I am disappointed.
My prince, we are not cursed. I know the cause of our problem is the oil company officials.
Will you shut up? Need I remind you that you and your father are under a royal curse?
Pardon us, Your Highness. There is a solution.
Utachi! No. Let me do it the easy way. Aigada, take both of them out of this palace before I unleash my anger on them. Now!
I got that.
God will vindicate us.
I know, because we are innocent.
One step down. One step down. One step down. One step down.
I got us right. Okonkwo is innocent.
That is the message from the gods. I take my leave now.
Wait!
The gods have proven that your father is innocent of the cause that made him blind. Yes. Eze Mo Mabiako is here to heal him.
He's inside. Let me call him.
Bring him.
Yeah, Father, stop.
Long live your highness.
Greetings.
My prince, you're welcome.
Okay, I think you should come down. Step. Be careful. Careful. Slow. Yeah, step down. Please.
Ezemo, you're welcome.
Face. This is where they are, Father. Yes.
Okonkwo,
Ezemo.
the gods has proven you innocent. And your sight will be restored.
Thank the gods. You're welcome.
Open your eyes.
Father, can you see me?
I can't see clearly.
Okonkwo, open your eyes. Can you see me?
Ezemo.
Okonkwo.
Ezemo, baby.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife, violence have stolen the real part of you. Hypocrisy, arrogancy. Just imagine what you have turned yourself into. Desperation, desperation, desperation is written all over you. Desperation, ooh, so bad. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get Ready to sacrifice anything. No matter the weight of insult I get, no, 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 I will not give up till I get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way.
So, the rumor all over the village that you're a billionaire is true. Adam, but why did you have to pull such a prank on us? Huh? I don't know my one. Anyway, you are welcome. Huh? Please, we have seats.
I haven't come here to sit.
Let me clean so you.
Don't bother. Don't stress yourself. I learned of your exit at the palace. And I also heard the news that it's because of me. You see all the money that was spent? All the money given? That was all me. Just so you could win the contest.
You did?
Yes. I've also come to apologize to you. I learned a similar situation led to your dismiss at the palace.
No. You don't have to apologize. You see, my son, we should be the one thanking you for the money. Eh? As a matter of fact, my daughter here is not even interested in Prince Hanna anymore. My daughter here deserves a gentleman, a good man like you. Eh? Like I said, Biko One, come in and sit down. I have cola nuts. Biko One, just come and sit down. Let's settle this once and for all. Biko.
I can even bring the chair for you to sit in case you're tired of that.
Once again, I'm sorry, but I have to take my leave.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife, violence.
Beautiful maidens of Udede Kingdom. There shall be a ceremony towards this weekend. And that ceremony will avail all of you the opportunity to showcase what you have, your natural endowment, your advantages to my son that will make a choice out of the lot. And once that choice is made, the wedding proper must be consummated towards the end of this month. I have spoken.
Ezigadio.
As your majesty pleases.
That won't be necessary.
You heard me, Father. That won't be necessary anymore. For I'm about to tell you earlier today that I've found a maiden after my heart.
Wonderful.
That's good.
Good.
That is great. Beautiful. Talk to me, son. Can you beat it?
Yeah.
That is wonderful.
That's wonderful. That's good.
Son, my heart is gladdened. In that case, it's of no use waiting till the weekend. We go ahead immediately. Now tell me, son, who is the lucky maiden?
Who did you choose?
Talk to me, son.
None of them.
We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree.
My beautiful maidens, it's quite unfortunate that the prince already has made his choice, and I think that is final. But I know we stand in your own time. One day will come.
Long live your majesty, but we say no.
That's okay. For the time and effort you've put in so far, this palace must compensate you.
Long live your queen, but we say no.
This is becoming too absurd.
We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree. We no go gree, oh, we no go gree. The prince must marry us, we no go gree.
My maidens, it is rather absurd.
Jenny, please talk to me. Has anybody done anything wrong to you? Jenny. Jenny, listen. Jenny, please stop crying. Stop crying. You are my wife to be. You should be sharing your problems with me. What is it?
It's the prince.
Oh. That sadist.
He proposed to me yesterday. I'm just so confused. I don't know what to do.
What rubbish. Did he not see the ring on your finger?
You know it's an abomination for me to reject his offer as the prince since I'm not yet married to anyone. That's why I'm confused.
That's absolute rubbish. And that will never happen. Look, never. You're my woman. And nobody can come between us. Not even the prince, nor that vagabond that parades himself around the village with borrowed cars can stop that.
I'm just confused.
Baby.
I don't know what to do.
It's okay, baby. Look, we have to hasten things, okay? We have to get married this weekend. Yes. Just give me some time to put everything together. We'll be together soon. Okay, stop crying.
See, my daughter, I am having these strong feelings that Hyacinth is your husband. Look, you have missed the prince, and I don't want you to miss this one. And I will support you in any way to make sure you marry Hyacinth.
Hey! Papa, I don't know why I have this very strong conviction that Hyacinth is my husband.
Oh.
And he was chasing me that time. Oh. He was chasing me.
Fugonia.
Papa, but do you expect me now? How do you expect somebody like me now to get married to Hyacinth? Then. It was very dirty now.
But nobody knows tomorrow. Anyway, I wish you the best of luck.
Papa will do anything to marry Hyacinth. Anything, anything.
Very good.
Everything possible, Papa.
Very good. And I wish you the best. The best of luck.
Thank you, Papa.
Give them their compensations.
Hey, let me see your face. Why are you here with a bigger box?
Power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. Oh, Tashi.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Yeah, I'm happy. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Make sure you are nice wherever you are. Okay? It's okay. You may leave now.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You may leave.
You can now go.
Exit.
You may wish to leave.
Thank you.
Honestly, I'm relieved now. I'm so happy. I've been thinking about how to settle them peacefully. Eh? Thank you, God.
I'm relieved equally.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife, violence have stolen the real part of you. Hypocrisy, arrogancy.
Please, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please. I do not want to go home. Life outside this palace is hell. We all know the situation of the country. Please, I beg of you, let me be one of the domestic workers here. the maids. I can cook. I can sweep. I can clean. I can do all kinds of jobs. Please just give me the permission. Any type of food that you want, I can make it. I just want a job this morning. I don't want it. Please have mercy upon me. I don't want this money. It is a job that I want, Your Majesty. A job, please.
It's okay. It's all right, my daughter. If that is your request, you have my consent.
Hey, my queen, Your Majesty, are you serious? So, I have a job here. Hey, my queen, Your Majesty, thank you. Thank you.
Right.
The money.
You may keep the money. It belongs to you. It's yours.
I can keep the money. Hey!
Utashi!
Thank you. Thank you. Utashi!
Igwe, who called me?
Stand out.
Igwe.
Take her.
To where?
Give her a place of assignment in this palace immediately.
As one of the maidens.
Igwe.
My bag is outside. Get my bag.
Go get your bag.
Papa, my eyes have seen wonders. Hey! Papa, you will not believe it. I saw the prince and Hyacinth fighting over Ijele.
Ijele?
Yes, Papa.
Okonkwo's daughter?
Papa, I said my eyes saw them. I saw them fighting over Ijele at Waripun Junction.
That girl again?
Papa, in fact, there were three. This one said I'm going to marry her. This one said I'm going to marry. Papa, they were fighting. They were fighting.
They will know me this time.
Being desperate reduces your worth. Being desperate.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, though, Papa. I trust you.
Today, I open your anus permanently. I open your anus permanently. That any time you are with any man that wants your hand in marriage, I open your anus. That dangerous smells. Dangerous odor. Poisonous smells. Dangerous odors. Henceforth, it shall be permanent.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Oh.
Greetings, my queen.
You're welcome.
You are the one that found favor in the eyes of my son.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I see. Ah, can you imagine? She's already engaged. My son gave her a wedding ring. That means this must be very, very official.
Oh, it's not.
What was that?
Sorry.
How dare you?
Your Majesty, please, sorry. It's involuntary. Anyone
Involuntary what? Ha! Utachi! I'm suffocated here. Utachi! Come and take this garbage out of my palace immediately. Huh? She's suffocating me.
Don't touch me.
You carry dead rat, come. Iwe, a blessing and rats die.
Get her to the hospital. I'm not sure she's feeling too well.
Thank you very Please do. I will appreciate.
That's fine.
Hi. Sorry. 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 That's the reason I was hiding. It's been happening for some time now. I can't control it. Hi. Oh God. I don't know what to